The Altyn Tugyr National Sports Award gathered hundreds of professional athletes to highlight their achievements in promoting Kazakh national games. Launched in 2014, the award recognizes excellence across 10 traditional sports, such as race, kokbar, Kazakh wrestling, archery on horses, traditional archery, asıqatu, toğuzqumalaq board game, and Kusbegilik or eagle training. Kusbegilik was once an important way of obtaining food through eagle hunting. Nowadays, it is a traditional activity that requires a bond with the birds and a commitment to training.
Kusbegilik, or eagle training art, is developing well in our country. So many international tournaments are held at least 3 times a year, and over the past 20 years, the rise of the Kusbegilik has been good. And this year, we have established the International Kusbegilik Federation. It includes 5 countries: Kazakhstan, Turkey, Mongolia, the Kyrgyz Republic, and Russia. And the most difficult thing in eagle training is to build a relationship with an eagle. You have to work with a bird's personality. So both the trainer and the eagle should understand each other's language. A very tender relationship is established.
The award was also an inspiration for wearing traditional dress, eating national food, dancing, music, and masterclasses. We spoke with the Altyn Tugyr Awards winner in toğuzqumalaq game, also called the chess of the steppes.
I'm coming to this event as one of the best players. Speaking of my accomplishments in Kusbegilik this year, I became the Asian champion and Kazakhstan's champion in the Classic. I took 2nd place in the Blitz category in both tournaments. Kusbegilik is gaining popularity even abroad. Over 20 countries participated in the last World Championship, including Uzbekistan, the Kyrgyz Republic, Russia, Mongolia, Antigua and Barbuda, Colombia, the Czech Republic, France, and Great Britain.
With so many skilled players, it seems that Kazakhstan is ready to show its full potential at the 5th World Nomad Games taking place next year in Kazakhstan in September. Stay tuned for more news from the Astana Times.